Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to delete partially completed LSMW or unwanted LSMW in SAP. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Go to the transaction code LSMW, press enter key, click on continue button, enter your project, subproject and object. Once you enter the project, subproject and object, click on all project objects. Now keep cursor on project, click on delete button. Now click on yes. Now come back. Now click on execute button. Yes, it's giving error. Why? Because we deleted this partially completed LSMW. That's it today video tutorial. If this video is useful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.